What's going on, everybody? We're going to make some sesame tahini from scratch. This is exactly what this is here. We're going to use it using fresh roasted, well, not fresh, you know what I'm saying, roasted sesame seeds used for making hummus and Middle Eastern type dishes, I guess. I don't want to use it for hummus, but we've got the new blender. We're going to try it out and whip it up, and then we're going to make some hummus with it, but that'll be a separate video. The link will be for each one will be there below. We're just going to go over like medium low heat here. And this is a 3 3/4 ounce thing of sesame seeds. We're just going to play it by ear. Probably do half of it, because that'll be enough for one batch of hummus, I'm guessing. So we're just going to toast these, no oil, over medium low heat until they get a little toasted. So we'll keep on shaking them. We'll be back. You don't want to burn them. You don't want to get a burnt taste. Just want medium low. Take your time. You'll smell them. Okay, it took about 15 minutes. See how they're golden brown now? Ready to go. Now I'm going to put them in the blender, and we'll do that part. It took, like I said, about 15 minutes. Just be patient. Start browning up. Alright, well, I'm not going to film the whole thing because it's going to, I guess, take like a minute. So I'm not going to, I'll edit that out, but I got it on high. I'm going to put it on and add in a little extra virgin olive oil. After I spill it everywhere. So we'll, like I said, we'll film it for a little bit. Going on high all the way up. Add a little oil here. Needs a little more. Honestly, it looks like I don't have enough in there to do it, really. It smells good. I don't think I have enough sesame seeds to mix. Pushes it away from the blade. Maybe I need to try at lower speed. Well, it's supposed to take that much oil. Alright, I just had to add some more oil and just keep pushing it down. Pushing it down with a spatula to get the stuff off the sides, but it's it worked. See here? Add a little bit of salt. Just a little bit of kosher salt. That's good. So there you go. You can make your own tahini paste. So there we go. Now I'm just going to add this other stuff to make the hummus right on top of this. But that'll be in another video. So if you want to see how to make the hummus, that's another video. Stay tuned. Thank you. Thanks for watching.